Welcome to WiselyWise Virtual Courses, Artificial Intelligence Champion course for grades 3 to 6. AI is leading the fourth industrial revolution. We are already being impacted by AI in our daily lives. Acquiring AI skills is very critical for students as they pursue higher studies and getting ready for the AI future. Based on this, WiselyWise is introducing an AI Champion course for grades 3 to 6. In this course, students will learn fundamentals of AI, projects on Scratch, computing concepts with hands-on projects, identify AI in daily life, learn machine learning, ML, and create ML-based projects in Scratch, learn Big 5 ideas, conversational AI, do experiments on computer vision concepts, learn natural language processing with experiments, explore robotics for AI and its applications, get introduced to AI in society, and do hands-on projects virtually with the instructor. All students will get access to the AI Champion course on WiseCentral, our AI education platform. Students introduce concepts in artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics from this course. After completing the course, students create their own digital portfolio deck, complete projects, get course completion certificate, and by the end of this course, students will be capable of creating advanced Scratch programs in artificial intelligence in our AI Genius course. Enroll now to get started in this AI world faster than other.